So 3 things to look out for whenever you are getting ready to buy an air conditioner. 1, make sure that you're working with the right contractor, because the right contractor is going to come in and they're going to help you figure out what size system, or they're going to tell you what size system you need for your property. You may not have the right size system in there now, so it's important that you work with the right contractor to get the right size air conditioning. Then it's also important to get the best system you can get for your money. Star Air can sell you just about any system that you want if you want a certain kind of a system. We also have brands that we're loyal to. So call us today and we can help you out by getting the right brand, the right size, and we're the right contractor.